Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can completely reset the Microsoft Edge browser, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can do that. So, resetting your Microsoft Edge browser will also help you fix issues on your Microsoft Edge browser. So, you need to know how you can reset your Microsoft Edge browser. So, for that, we need to open our Microsoft Edge browser. So, I have this on my taskbar, pinned on my taskbar. So, in your case, if this is not pinned in your taskbar, just simply search for that in the Windows search bar. Then you just have to open that. Here you need to click on this three dots at the top right corner. This is the settings. So click on this. Scroll down and you'll find this gear-like symbol, the settings. Click on that. On the left pane, you need to look for the reset settings. Click on that. Restore settings to the original defaults. Click on this. This will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pin tabs. It will also turn off all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your favorites, history, and saved passwords will not be clear. Click on reset. Once done, close this. Then press the Windows key and R button together. You need to type percentage local up data percentage. Hit on enter. Then look for the Microsoft folder. This one, double click. Look for the Edge folder and then right click on that. Select delete. Now first, we need to close our Microsoft Edge processes first. So search for Task Manager. Click on it. Then here, you need to look for Microsoft Edge in the list of processes. Then make a right click. Select End Task. Once done, close this. Then try again. So this time it will work. So these are the two ways on how we can completely reset our Microsoft Edge browser on your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.